This is the ultrasound scan of a pregnant patient having major degree placenta previa. This is cervix and see placenta is covering the whole cervix. This is the lower limb of fetus that shows the fetus is in breech presentation. Placenta is near and covering cervix completely. Now we go to fetal heart, and this is fetal cardiac activity positive. This is single alive intrauterine fetus. This is fetal head. We can measure biparietal diameter and fetal head circumference and can estimate or calculate fetal age. This placenta is having grade 2 calcifications, or in other words, grade 2 maturity of placenta. Fetal age is estimated at 33 or 34 weeks. Amniotic fluid index was 11 to 12. These are the hemorrhages or hematomas in placenta. The placenta was centered on posterior uterine wall.